This is chickpea stuffed pappardelle with mussels and parsley oil. Mussels and chickpeas is a traditional Italian pairing that you can really play with and add different aromatics and flavors. I've made the stuffing with a can of cooked chickpeas. I rubbed them with my hands to remove some of the peels and then blended them with some lemon zest, a clove of garlic, some salt, pepper and olive oil, a pinch of fennel seeds, and of course make sure to break your food processor while doing this. I just broke the blender. I added a splash of water to make it softer and easier to blend. When you reach the right consistency, put it in a piping bag and keep it in the fridge. To form the pappardelle, roll out the fresh pasta, brush it with some water to make it sticky, pipe the chickpea filling, fold the pasta over, try to remove any air pockets, make it a little flat, cut it with the pasta cutter, then dust it with a little semolina flour and roll it up. To make the mussels, just get rid of the beard and clean them up. Then throw them in a hot pan with olive oil, garlic and a splash of white wine, cover them and steam them for a few minutes. Now cook your pappardelle in a salted boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes and sauce it with the mussels water and some butter. Warm up the shucked mussels and serve with some parsley oil and some borage flowers for freshness.